Jonathan here, esthetician with Dr. Emer. Right now we're getting ready to do our foaming polish from our patient who did some laser and some skin tightening yesterday.
With airfly on top.
So right now we're getting ready to kind of clean the skin and prepare the skin for our oxygen facial. It's very important right after any kind of laser procedure that we give the skin back its moisture and help hydrate it as much as we can as possible. So right now we are using our foaming polish, which also comes included inside of the Aerify kit. So the patient had Aerify yesterday, left it on overnight, rinsed it off today in the morning. And this is how the skin looks after, which laser treatments did we do yesterday?
We did our Pixel8 Microneedling. We also did our neck lipo and our Renuvion internal heating.
So yeah, guys, so that's a treatment that has very minimal to no downtime, but you're gonna get a good result when it comes down to tighter pores, tighter skin, contour jawline, and just kind of just giving the skin more of a clarity. So right now we are doing a cleansing process with the foaming polish. Just keep your eyes closed for me. So after, Pixel8 treatment, the skin is going to feel like sandpapery and is going to start to shed and exfoliate the mends. Here we can kind of see some of the mends start to happen on the forehead, which are almost like small little scabs that are happening into the skin, and your skin is pretty much sending a response to that area to help it heal and kind of create more collagen around that area. How we doing?
Good, this feels amazing.
Perfect.
I'm taking it all in.
Perfect. So right now I'm doing a little lymphatic facial massage. This is going to help drain any kind of water retention from the skin. Okay, let's go ahead and remove the cleanser.
And guys, we want to hear all of your skincare questions you guys have today.
Feel
Ask
free.
them.
It's Friday, guys, so let's talk about skin. So we're still removing some of the peel that was left onto the skin. Any kind of burning or tingling?
No, feels good.
Perfect. Yeah, guys, the foaming polish is a great cleanser to use right after any kind of laser procedure. It helps to kind of clarify the skin, but it also helps to kind of get rid of any dead skin cells, scabs that might be left on the skin. It's a very lightweight cleanser, so it's going to help to rebalance the skin.
What do you think of sugar string procedure?
Sugar string procedure. Are you referring to maybe threads, maybe? I've never really heard of the sugar string.
Is this the same guy that was taken care of last night? Yes, guys, this is our patient from last night. I'm late. What is he getting done? Guys, we were doing a facial. He did have his procedures yesterday. We did some microneedling, deep microneedling with radio frequency. Created some nice channels in his skin. We applied the Aerify mask on afterwards. And he's here today for aftercare, so we are doing a facial for him.
We're going to be doing an oxygen facial. The oxygen is pretty much helping to infuse vitamins into the skin. So let's go ahead and start to take out some of these vitamins that we're pretty much infusing. It's a group of vitamin complex. These are vitamins and minerals that go onto the skin.
All right, guys. And they're asking about the sugar string to talk about threads. Yes, guys, we do threads. We have many different types. We have our silhouette. We have our miracle. We have our PDO threads. We have lots of stuff here.
So let's go ahead and load up our vitamins and minerals into our oxygen gun. Now let's go ahead and put the cap on and start doing some infusion, guys. So basically what's happening is the oxygen is creating a mist with the vitamins, and your skin is going to grab onto it and use it as a healing mechanism. So right now this is just probably feeling pretty cool, like cooling on your face, right?
It feels cool.
Yeah. Yeah, so this right here is helping to pretty much infuse the vitamins from A to Z onto the skin. to allow the skin to heal faster. And then right after this, we're going to apply some of the patient's PRP. And then we're going to be doing some right over it. If you guys have any questions on any of the skincare products, feel free to ask me, guys. If you guys have any sensitive skin, redness, broken capillaries, any kind of acne.
You guys are at the expert.
Oxygen is definitely a good treatment to do if someone has redness, dry skin. You know, bacteria can't live in oxygen, so, you know, we do this over any kind of breakout. It helps to clear up the breakout as well. So it's very important that we meticulously kind of infuse the oxygen into every single part of its face, which is going to pretty much use it as a healing mechanism. And as I'm infusing the vitamins, you guys could see the oxygen and minerals spread into his skin. Can you guys see that? Again, guys, doing an oxygen procedure after any kind of laser, it's very important because it's going to help the area heal. Right after that, we're going to be doing one of our hydrating masks, either our stem cell mask or a jelly mask.
So how much for a male makeover procedure, guys? Send us a DM, full name, email, phone number. Our team's going to reach out to you.
And then right after this, our patient's using our Aerify kit, which is the skincare that comes along with the illuminating peel. Aerify is Dr. Emer's at-home medical grade peel that he created, which comes included with skincare that should last you about 2 to 3 weeks. But that skincare that's inside the Aerify kit is a great brightening skincare. You have some hyaluronic acid with some vitamin A. You have the High Spot, which is a licorice root brightening product, along with some cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. In this case, you know, we combined the Aerify kit with our Roar Pixel8 Microneedling device with radio frequency. So we created channels, and we then penetrated the peel a little bit deeper into the skin, which is going to help tighten up the pores, tighten up the skin, and kind of give the skin more clarity, reduce some redness, and even help with any kind of oil production. We'll get his mask really quick. Be right back, guys. And we're back. So now we're gonna do our hydrating mask, which is our biocellulose mask, which is pretty much going to help the area heal a little bit faster. This is going to feel a little cool on the skin. These masks are great to do after any kind of ablative laser, clear and brilliant, laser genesis, CO2. A lot of our patients love these masks because they actually feel the moisture and the hydration rebuild onto the skin.
Feels very refreshing.
Yeah. This mask is made out of plant-based stem cells that come from an apple that are going to help the tissue repair and heal itself. Right after that, we're going to infuse it with some more oxygen. So the mask is made out of a special material. I don't know if you guys can see the small little perforated holes that's on the mask. And this is allowing oxygen to penetrate through the skin, which is then gonna help it heal much faster. So if you guys wanna come in for your lasers, make sure you guys book a consultation or visit emeragecosmetics.com. How does this feel? Do you feel like the oxygen penetrating through your skin right now?
I totally do.
Yeah, it almost feels like a drink of water for your
Yeah.
face, right?
I feel very like refreshed. Like my skin feels refreshed.
Okay. Yeah, a lot of our patients try to book maybe 3 or 4 of these right after any kind of laser. You know, once a day to kind of help rebalance your skin.
Jonathan, do you perform extractions here?
Yes, I do. I do great extractions. We're able to use our dermal infusion, which has suction that's able to extract the skin, or I'm also able to do manual extractions. I like to do manual extractions because they help to kind of get rid of the deeper oil production that's underneath the skin. Or I sometimes like to kind of combine the two, combining it with the dermal infusion and then doing some manual extractions on top of it. We even have our mirror peel, which is also a form of extractions, but with microneedling. So that facial there is a facial with extractions and microneedling together. How we doing? How does it feel?
Great. I can do this all day.
Yeah, no, we have some clients that, you know, come in maybe once a week for just reduction of redness or just dry skin, or, you know, this is a great treatment if someone is having like a wedding or is having a big event, you know, come in for some oxygen, and it's really going to help to give the skin that dewy, glowy look that a lot of us like. Does anyone in the audience know what stem cells are doing to the skin? Let's see who can answer that question in the comments. I just said it, so if you guys were paying attention, you guys might get some samples. Keep an eye out, Jordan. Let me know if anyone answers it.
Alright,
Alright guys, let's talk about some of the skincare for the post-care. Here we have our vitamin C serum. So it's very important that we include some vitamin C onto the skin. Right after that, we're going to be using our Hyla B, which is our hyaluronic acid, along with some of our hyaluronic acids from either SkinCeuticals or anti-age serum, which is our stem cell growth factor, combining it with our refit phase. So one is a serum that's going to be bone marrow stem cells. The refit phase is made out of really highly concentrated growth factors that pretty much bind the skin and repair the skin much faster, along with some moisturizer. So now that we have the mask onto the skin, we're going to combine it with some red light therapy. Do you guys know what red light therapy is, or what this red light therapy is doing to the skin? Yeah, red light is going to pretty much allow the skin to heal and reduce redness. Do you have any red light devices at home?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
Have you seen the little, the little shields, the face shields that everyone's wearing?
Oh, I've seen that before. Right.
Mhm.
I don't have that though.
Yeah, we have red light and then we have blue light. Blue light's great for acne, oily skin, anyone who produces a lot of oil who has active breakouts. You would do some blue light to help kill any kind of bacteria. Red light's going to be for someone with redness, who wants more collagen stimulation. We like to use the light therapy even in conjunction with maybe an at-home derma roller. So if you guys have a derma roller at home, make sure you guys do your red light right after, because that's going to help the area heal and repair itself. Do you have a roller? No? Have you seen
I
those?
did, but I need to get a new one because I just recently moved. It's at my old place.
Yeah, rollers are like the biggest secret in skincare. If you
And
did
can
a
just roll on the skincare with it too, right?
yeah, exactly. But microneedling at home with the derma roller is going to keep your skin and your pores nice and tight and kind of just keeping your skin looking very youthful forever. Because you're doing something that's going to stimulate collagen.
Right.
Right? So if we're doing, you know, there's small little baby needles that go onto the skin that create like a small little injury to your skin to allow better penetration from your serums and your skincare products.
Are we doing red light next or are we doing product?
Yeah, red light.
Alright. Red light.
Okay. You go ahead and set up the red light, guys. About to apply the rest of the PRP.
Okay. Everyone's coming out, guys. We're about to do some PRP after this mask. After that, we're gonna be doing some red light for our patient.
I don't like to waste any of the mask, so we're just gonna
Good.
put it underneath the neck real quick. Beautiful. All right, guys, now we're going to apply some of our patient's PRP onto the skin. So this right here is pretty much stem cells that come from your own body that are going to help heal your skin and repair your skin. So now let's go ahead and apply some, and then we're going to do some red light over it. Some people call this liquid gold.
Yes.
Again, guys, we just finished doing some oxygen. We're doing an oxygen healing facial to help our patient heal from laser and our skin tightening treatment. We did some Pixel8, which is basically a radio frequency device with microneedling, which is tightening up the skin. We infused some oxygen. We did a stem cell mask. And now we're doing some more stem cells, which are PRP.
Do you use PRP daily, or is it like not a thing to be?
Oh yeah, you can use PRP daily. As long as you just store it in the refrigerator, you're good. That's where like the stem cell products come into play, right? So over time, your PRP is not gonna stay as active, right? So that's where like skincare products come into play.
And PRP is really used kind of just as like a mask that you leave on for a little bit, or?
Yeah, you leave it on, it's going to absorb into your skin. It's almost like a serum, like your own personalized serum to help you heal. And then we do some red light over it for better penetration. This red light therapy also helps to penetrate product into your skin. Put these little goggles on your skin. light's gonna feel a little bright, but we'll be okay. Keep your eyes closed, okay? On 3. 1, 2, and 3. How are we doing?
Great.
Beautiful. There you have it, guys. We just did an oxygen facial, post Pixel8, post skin tightening for the neck with neck lipo. So it's really important that we help to repair and hydrate the skin right after. Right now, we just finished applying the PRP along with some red light, and our patient's going to start to use some of the Aerify products along with some of the healing skincare that we have here, which everything has been customized for him. So right after this, I will give him a very special protocol that's going to pretty much keep his skin hydrated and moisturized, along with using our Aerify kit at home. So make sure you guys come in for your consults, and you guys visit emeragecosmetics.com. Have a good day, guys.